All right. And then something I learned about doing the audio. So originally, what I was doing was using these global audio. So this was set to default so that whatever item Windows was using would be used. And my mic was also set to default so that whichever thing I used down here would also be used. Problem is, in order to mute one of these, let's say, so what I was doing is I had one AM filter to get rid of the static and one desktop audio. If I was in Chrome, I might want to have the AM filter on, but in a different app, I might want to have the desktop audio on. With it being global, if I switch desktop audio off on this one, and I switch to, let's say, SolidWorks, it would also be off. So in order to let you do different filters to like desktop audio per different scenes, instead of using it globally, what we had to do was first do an audio input, do create new, let's say test, and say OK. And then before you delete the global one, you would want to copy filters, go to, that's the test, yep, that's the test. And you want to paste filters. That way, with the filters, all of our filters are saved, so we don't have to reset those up. But by separating it out and doing it in your sources, then what you would need to do is hit copy, and then in all of your scenes that you want that audio to be able to be used, paste reference. And then after you have copied your microphone and desktop audio and AM style filters, you would want to go into your settings, delete or disable your global audio, and that way you can have, let's see, review. That way you can, on, let's say this one, you could say you want the AM filter on and desktop audio off. Now, when you're on this scene, AM filter is the only desktop audio that's going to get recorded. Let's say in SolidWorks, you want, I didn't even have it posted here. Let's copy. Let's pretend this is Chrome. So in Chrome, you could have it so that the AM filter is on and desktop audio is off. That way, this one only has the AM filter. I did that twice. And this one could have only the desktop audio, non-filtered. So by doing it in your sources instead of globally, it gives you a little bit more control.